There's the new Generation Tundra here. Twin turbos worth of V6 goodness. Woo! You know your boy's gonna get excited about this. Oh, but we are missing one thing. I've already noticed it right off the rip. If it had the high output, we'd have these little center caps, these little chrome things, and it'd say I-Force. So we don't have the full big engine going on here. But damn, look at her. She looks big. I apologize for not having an F-150, a Dodge Ram, Ram 1500, whatever, Chevrolet Silverado. We're gonna look at this today. We'll get to them tomorrow. All right, Casey, here we go. Let's start under the hood. Casey, I thought you said these engines suck. Well, okay. Let's just go ahead and start talking about that now. First of all, real quick, this car just showed up, this truck. So it's dirty, it's nasty. Look at that tack, it looks all cool in there. Anyway, it just showed up, so it is nasty. I promise, before it gets to the lot, if it ever makes it to the lot, I have a feeling we'll see this today and tomorrow. It'll never make it to the lot. All right, here we go. Let's pop the hood and find out what we're doing. Miss Hazy, we're gonna, ooh. She got there's a little glisten in there. She got some blue tint in there, a little green flake, okay. Oh, sorry, I'm trying to hold my excitement. Okay, Casey, you said that was a big turd. Once upon a time, Toyota had some issues with that engine. There was a few issues, some dirt left in some parts. So it does hide it in there. It hides it just like, remember, we've seen that on the Ram TRX. The Titan, it's got a little step, but that's the only one that is, oh, we got Toyota exhaust on there? Oh, yeah. David, it is cooler. The only thing about power things, and it's just my brain. First thing I thought of is I wonder when it'll break or how much it costs when it does break. It is Toyota. That's a door panel right there. Way to go, Yoda. I'm telling y'all, I can't get past this right here. All right, here we go. Squishy. Uh-oh. Oh my God. We got a little squish right there. That's, oh, sugar. So the only squish is right there. I mean, that's not a big deal. It's just a little test so y'all can see. We got water bottle holders right there. Power windows. Okay, we got, oh, look, Toyota didn't skimp. Look, we got pockets on the back right there. All right, we've got, heated and cooled seats in the back. Now the back passengers can have just as much comfort as the front passengers. Way to go, Yoda. All right, we got a USB right down there. We got a USB-C and a USB. We also got a regular power outlet down there. Way to go, Yoda. A couple of vents right there. They've been listening to Hobbly Nation. All right, here we go. Let's get in the back. It says something about a power step. Let's find out what that means. All right, so oh, it's been decked. Huh? Dude, this is, holy shit. Not only did somebody drop the coinage to buy this truck, they done dropped the coinage on it since they done bought it. The Lear camper with the LED lights, that wasn't cheap. It's been decked inside the bed. Woo! I ain't never seen one on a Nissan, Gavin. Look at that. I love it. Woo! Yellow mix, welcome in, welcome in. All right, so there's the bed. What is this? Oh, there we go, just gotta push it. What's your little power? Does that come out when you drop the tailgate? Da-na-na. Do-do-do. How much was this truck brand new? Well, let's find out right here. Let me have it. All right, here we go. Woo.